hang on a moment.
Yep.
Information on the phone. I have been scammed too many times. No, I have been scammed too many times on the phone, lady.
Yeah. Can you hear me okay?
Is this Morgan Solution?
So our brokers, we handle the mortgage protection for them. Reason I was reaching out.
Here, talk to this lady.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Miss Paxton.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hi, this is Chase Smith.
He gave it to me because he can't hear.
Okay, gotcha. No worries. I work at the broker, and reason
I cannot afford your fees on that. I've done and tried it. There's no way I can afford to have a protection plan.
Gotcha. And this was about just to make sure we're on the same page, because there's a lot of different types of things. This is the one that would cover the loan if something happens, like sickness or you pass away. Is that the one you're talking about? Too high?
I know.
Okay.
I cannot afford it.
Gotcha. No worries, Miss Paxton. Well, let me get this updated.
The payment's too high.
Gotcha. It was showing me here that just nobody even got you the information out. So I was reaching out, kind of courtesy call to figure out what happened. So I'm going to get some notes so you don't keep getting reached out to. It was just something where it was way too expensive, if I'm hearing you right.
That's right.
Okay.
They done and quoted me a price, and there's no way we can afford it.
How
They've
much?
already raised my payment once. I can't afford any more increases.
Yeah. How much did they show you that the payment will be costing?
A little over $100 a month.
Oh my goodness! Wow. I mean.
Yeah. There's no way I can afford that.
No, don't do
sorry.
that. Don't do that. Reason I ask, I mean, I don't mean to come off insensitive here. That's a rate we'd see for like active cancer. Do you have anything like that going on?
No.
Okay.
We both have heart problems.
That shouldn't make it that high. From what I'm seeing here, they didn't leave a note, Miss Paxton, but it's showing it was a junior underwriter who reached out last. And they just have limited access, so they only work with one or two companies, so they usually don't.
Well, Mortgage Solutions has already sold my note anyway.
Yeah, so they sell them all the time. This is just a form of life insurance. So it's showing me here that junior underwriter, they can just show you high rates because they don't have access to the whole marketplace. Miss Paxton, I'm a senior broker, so I have access to every single company in the state that offers the coverage. So what I'm able to do is at least get you some updated information and make sure you're looking at the best rates. Because I'm assuming when you originally looked into it, you were thinking if it was affordable, you wanted a plan in place to help cover the mortgage if one of you were to get very sick or pass away.
If I could afford it, yes, but I can't.
Mm-hmm. And that's what I'm saying.
I've got 2 granddaughters I'm raising now.
Okay, gotcha. 2 granddaughters you're raising. So I'm assuming, with the bills already tight, if something did happen, like, you passed away and your income was no longer coming in, it would make it pretty difficult, right?
Yes, it would, but I've got to keep my roof over my head for now. And like I say, they raised the payment. I can't do anymore.
Yep. And I always like to say, it doesn't make sense to put anything in place if it's going to be making you eat ramen noodles every night. Because this is supposed to be there for you when you need it the most, and that's when bills are the tightest. So what I'm going to do for you, Ms. Paxton, obviously I'm not saying that you're going to have to sign up, but I want to at least show you the updated rates out there. Because you were not helped out correctly, you were shown rates for people with active cancer. So I'm going to update your guys' health profile to make sure you have the best information so you can make the most educated decision. Does that sound fair?
As long as it don't take very long. We're in the middle of working on my house right now, and I need to get back to it.
Yeah, it won't take, so it'll take me about 5 minutes for that to update your health profile, and then we can set a little bit better time. Do you use any sort of like nicotine or tobacco product? Did they put them in any sort of 2-year waiting period? Did they explain that to you?
Nope.
Okay, because of the health classes they accept, they kind of specialize in the waiting period policies. So usually when you see with them, it's going to be a case where if something happens within the first 2 years, you're not receiving that payment. They didn't go over that with you?
Nope.
Hey, Patsy, long time no see. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. So I went ahead and I looked around for you, and I got some news I just couldn't wait to share here. Do you have a pen and paper available?
I have. Okay.
So on that paper, what I want you to write down is current. So this is going to be Ronald's current coverage.
Okay.
So right now, for him, you're getting about $5,000 of coverage.
Okay.
And that's costing you $72 a month.
Right.
And I have their website open up right now. I have his information in. He was put with their graded product. So what I want you to write down is waiting period for your current coverage.
Okay.
So he currently is in what we call a 2-year waiting period, meaning if something happens in the next year and a half, because you got it about 4 months ago, the policy doesn't pay out. It just gives you your premiums back. So essentially, you're not going to be paying for anything if you're paying for nothing if something happens within 2 years. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now, it's so crucial to have day one coverage when you're looking at these policies, because when you get this for is worst case scenario, so you don't want your plan for worst case scenario to have a waiting period. So what I found for you under that, I want you to write down upgraded.
Okay.
Now, this is with a company called, have you heard of them before?
Yeah.
Under the upgraded tab, I want you to write down day one coverage.
Okay.
So this policy has no sort of waiting period or strings attached. If something happens to you or Ronald in 2 days, a month, it's going to pay out the entire face amount.
Okay.
So what I was able to find for you, the first option, we can get them a little bit of extra coverage for pretty much the same premium. It's nothing crazy, but it would be $5,500 of coverage.
All right.
And that would be in that same range. That'd be $74 monthly.
All right.
Or we could keep the coverage the exact same. So this would be the $5,000 of coverage, and it would be day one. And that would only be about $67 a month.
Not worth the change.
Yeah, it's mainly we're not looking for the huge savings. That's just kind of a little bit extra benefit that it's going to be a cheaper rate. So
Okay.
couple extra benefits. Main thing here is just getting day one coverage, not being in any sort of waiting period. So it is going to be up to American Home Life if they approve them at the end of the day. Would you rather get a little bit extra coverage for the same premium, or would you rather stick with the same 5,000, save you a little bit of money, and have those extra benefits?
Well, the larger amount don't hurt. Yes.
Okay, perfect. And then what is Ronald's social? And then this one will come out in about 1 to 5 business days, and then you'll be fully covered with extra coverage and day one coverage. What's the name of the financial institution? Okay, so did you want the good news or bad news?
Either one.
So the unfortunate news is you are stuck with me as your broker now. So I'll be checking in with you guys, making sure everything's good. You get your paperwork and everything. Good news is they just fully approved him on the spot here. So now you're going to have a bit extra coverage, day one coverage as well. So if something happens in a month, God forbid, you will be able to receive that payout, and he's going to have that living benefit as well.